Buong sentro ng Bula ay talagang lampas tao yung baha. Took us more than mga 2 weeks din para mag-linis, mag-alis ng mga nabasang mga gamit and all. Maraming nasira, lalo na doon sa computer laboratory room ng mga equipment. 4 na pong computer units ang nasira dahil sa bahang iyon na hindi na magagamit ng aming mga mag-aaral. Hindi pa nila magamit yung mga rooms, so they have to use our temporary learning space, the library, or any space, or combined classes.
For us at Xiaomi, our main core value is sincerity and passion. We also want to make positive impact to the society. It is important to provide every child an access to technology in order to make their lives easier. So that's the whole purpose of having this renovation and donating Xiaomi devices that could cater their needs.
After the storm, parang ano bang gagawin ko? And all of a sudden, parang, am I dreaming? We just keep on praying na makakabangon tayo.
In 3, 2, 1.
I know that learning will be more fulfilling and the students will be more motivated. Itong ginawa na ito ng Xiaomi, yung binigay sa amin, it's more than what we are praying for.
Ngayon ko lang siya nakita ng okay na talaga, naka-arrange na lahat ng equipments and ready to use na. I'm very happy and glad po. For sure, mas mabe-benefit kami in the future and also the students na susunod po sa amin.
Thank you, Xiaomi!
Xiaomi.